Howdy, and welcome to another episode of Life with RetroPaul. Let's make an RPG game. So, I did change a little bit of things since we last left. Instead of the apartment scene, I decided I wanted to make it look like so the player's actually logging into something. So, as you can see, I added this. I want to edit. First, I went to the resource manager and added it into the editor. Then I went to playground. Take a parallel background. Found what I added. Sat there. I said show an editor so I could see what it is and see how things look. Of course, the main character's here, but I'm going to show you why it's going to be different in a sec. So, there's 2 pages of code. So we've got this page of code right here, and then we've got this long ass page of code here, and I'll show you exactly how this all is going to work. We're going to start up. Yes, we want to save changes. As you can see, here we are. This screen is going to change, and the music's going to change. New game. Music starts. Flashes, and then you get this. Right here. Then you get click the right button. Then you get that screen. Then you get this little menu here. Really, dog?
Lucy, shush.
So, first we have the forums. That changes. We have a market. That pops up. We have a check-in and we have a logout. Logout just takes you right back to the main screen, the title screen. Jack in is this. There you are, your character. Sorry about the barking dog. And so here you've got a group of people. I haven't really finished this area yet. But that's kind of short, so I'll just show you. And you got dialogue after that. Then you go up to here. Now this is a copy but slightly altered area of it. As you can see, the check-in part is not here. You've already checked in. So you get the forum in the market and then log out. So we'll go to forum. It says you picked up the bypass for the sector gate. Do it. Then you hit that. Lets the player know that they've actually got it. Go here. The board is an AH look because I wanted to make it kind of like that. And then you go to here. The security scan in progress. So as long as you got that thing from the other terminal, you go here. It's access granted, sector 4 entrance. And you're here. Now watch this. You go here. Accessing the core. Download initiated. You get the mystery file. It says security breach detected. Log out at the entry beam. That little thing appears here. Takes you back here. I gotta fix that where it doesn't take you where you can get out, but yeah. So that's that. So what we're gonna do, log out of here, we're gonna change that. Never mind that. But we're going to change this. Let's go back to our editor. And I'll show you. First, I'll show you this code real quick again. Tell you what it does. So it waits 30 seconds and turns through on. I have it say transparency on, so that way it looks like it's green and you don't see the character right away. Tints the screen a little bit. Waits another 60 frames. Plays the computer sound. Shows this. And these certain little things at the beginning and end of these actually make color. Then it tends to get back to normal, and then it goes to Control Switch A. Control Switch A, which is this page, is the menu. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to the root town, which is where everything begins. This little square here once you land, it turns through. Once you get on, it turns through on. After you transport, it took me a while to figure this all out. But this little snippet of code here, actually makes it so your player won't walk through walls. You can see the player, and you can see your character. And this is just blank to stop all that from happening over and over again. Because auto run without that will just keep running by itself, and you won't get anywhere. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go back here. And as you can see, this is a bit of dialogue to let you know that this character has made sure that you have the code. These characters, let's give them a little bit of dialogue here. Right. We'll name this character something real quick. So we're gonna go here, just shout dialogue. So this is hacker game. We're gonna give him some sort of hacker name. So I'm gonna give him something of like at YOLO, you only live once. And then we're gonna have him say something. So if him say something, I have been stuck in this game for 10 months. Okay, and then we'll have this one say something too. We'll call this one at noob. Should be 101, and we'll call this one. We'll have her say, "Where am I?" So it makes it look like you're actually playing with a group of characters, because this is supposed to mimic an MMO. So like that. Like I said, we're gonna fix that. It means we have to go to this room and click here. So where it says transport to root town, we'll go here and click here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to see where it lands. And okay, it looks like it lands here, so we're just going to move it right down there. And then we're going to click apply, click OK. Now, what I'm going to do, instead of doing all of that at the beginning, real quick, is I'm going to put my character, for playtesting purposes, already in root town. And I don't want to show the beginning, so I'm going to show you a little trick. Probably can't see it, but you can go up to tools, we go up to game, and go down to the second option, which says skip title screen. Click that. Okay, so then you're here. So let's test that. So first, get a little closer and easier to do this. So first, you brace over to here. Test to make sure our dialogue works in these characters real quick. Cool. Go to this person and get the info about the card. Go to the terminal. Go to form. You now have the second scorecard. The little text code I could actually make, which made it look green. I'm using a notification plugin so it lets you know that you have it. Go here. Send you to this little room. Go here. The mystery file. Now if I did this correctly, should perfect. Put it right there. We got the timer. I may take that off, I may not. But I'm gonna show you, I don't know if I showed you. Oh, the timer, that timer effect I took out. But yeah. We'll close the window. Back to here. As you can see, I'm working on something here, so you're going to come with me here. So this is going to be a vault room. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here. I'm actually going to change the flooring to something that looks like this. Hello, puppy. I'm going to go here. Here's the autofill. We're going to go boom. Then we're going to go to this little one here. I'm going to build some walls. I'm going to zoom out so you get a big screen so you can see how big this really is going to be. And I'm going to put 2 tile wall here. 2 tile wall here. Then this is going to be a server vault, so then we're going to go to this one and we're going to drop a few servers in this corner, drop a few servers in this corner, that. Hello, puppy. Say hello to Lucy Lou, our puppy. There's going to be one in March. We got her back in March of last year. May of last year, actually. My wife just corrected me, but she was born in March. All the way from San Antonio, Texas. Anyway, we're going to then keep putting it. I'm going to zoom in real close like this so you can see. Alright, and what we're going to do is we're going to put maybe another wall of servers this way. Over this end. Do the same, but I'm just going to stagger them about. Like so. The key really is to kind of keep the player from having a straight shot to where you want them to go. You want to kind of have them do a maze. Have them start, so we'll just have them go down all the way here, and we'll put the starting point here. But that's basically it. And then all I'm going to do is fill this in with a couple servers, maybe some other decorations, make somewhere over here in the center the goal, and then make an exit up here once you get to the goal. that'll transport you back to here. Along with, I'm going to try to set up it so each quest you do in the game, a new message appears in the forums, and add new characters into it as well. As you can see, I added this down here to give this a 3D look, along with these colored lines here that are supposed to represent wires. I might do something to make it look kind of like I want it to look, but that's basically it for now. I like the way this is going so far. Besides, the original was okay, but this is a lot better. To me, it's a lot more immersive. So, yeah, me and Lucy say thanks for watching. Yep, you do say thanks for watching, don't you, Lucy? You do. And again, remember, do good in the world. Love your pets. I love this little doggy here. Stay positive. Peace out. Stay frosty. See you in the next one.